everyone! If you're looking to find out how you can present a PowerPoint using Google Meet, here's how you can do it. Well, it's a pretty straightforward process and a very easy one at that. So first, launch your browser and then in the address bar, just enter the link of the meeting. Press enter. Now join now. Alright, to start presenting your PowerPoint, you first need to open your PowerPoint in your desktop. Alright, once you've done that, just go back to your Google Meet and now click on this Present Now button. Click on it. Here you will be presented with Chrome tab, window, entire screen. Choose window and from there select the presentation that is being opened in your computer like so, and again share. About this infinity mirror, it is saying that we need to select a window, not entire screen, to prevent the infinity mirror. It happens sometimes, but if you have no problems, just dismiss this information. Now what you need to do is, let's put it aside, or let's put this screen on the side. Now there we have it. Let's see if the changes in this screen make the changes for that one. All right, you see. Now you can just simply go to your original PowerPoint and start presenting your presentation. All right, now you know how to share your PowerPoint using Google Meet. And once you are done sharing, just click on stop sharing. Now if you are still facing any problems regarding sharing PowerPoint or presenting PowerPoint in Google Meet, do leave them in the comment section, guys. We're always here to help. Until next time, bye-bye.